So what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we are going to go over the new best value for $1,000. We're going to see what computer can you get for $1,000. Let's start. Alright, so starting off with the AMD build, we're going to go with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 non-X because the TDP is 65 watts and it has a slight, the only difference is that it has a slightly lower boost clock, and that is absolutely fine because we can get it for $144. Alright, and as for the CPU cooler, we're going to go with the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE, which has two fans that spin at 1550 RPM. It's relatively quiet and it only costs $36. For $36 it will cool the Ryzen 5 5600 very well. It will not throttle at all. And for the motherboard, we're going to go with the MSI Pro B550M VC Wi-Fi because it's the cheapest motherboard that supports Wi-Fi and it's only $100. For the B550 chipset, it's very good. It has a heatsink for the SSD. It supports PCIe 4, which is what we're gonna need, and it supports up to 128 gigabytes of RAM with 4 slots, so it's really good. And yep, moving on. Alright, and as for the RAM, we're going to go with the G-Skill Ripjaws V16 gigs at 3600 MHz video for the 2x8 gigabytes. It has a capacity of only 16, which means it's incredibly faster than the 18. Not incredibly, but it's faster. Alright, and as for the storage, we're going to keep on with the Seagate Barracuda Compute 2 terabytes for the storage. And for the boot drive, we're going to go with the Western Digital Black SN770, which gives us up to 5000 megabytes per second read and 4000 megabytes write, and 500 gigs, perfect for a boot drive at only $50, which is amazing. Moving on. Alright, and for the case, we're going to go with the Phanteks Nova Mesh SE at $65. It has a mesh front and 4 fans and DC short, which means it's an amazing choice. And as for the power supply, we're going to go with the Phanteks AMP 650 watts. It's an 80 plus core efficiency and it's only $70, which means it's a reliable source of power. It will not crash under load, and it's a good oil, and it's fully modular. It's a very good choice. Moving on to the firepower. Alright, so for the graphics cards, we're going to go with the Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 6700 XT. It's a beast of a card. This is the best model of the 6700 XT. I own it. I literally own it. And let me show you how much I got on the customer credit. Wait a minute. Alright, so this is what I got with my computer on the 3D graphics mode. As you can see, it's with the 6700 XT, which is amazing, with the Ryzen 5 5700X and 32 gigs of RAM. 28,000 is really close to, it's actually a bit past the 6950 XT, which cost more than double. So definitely buy this card. It's the silent king of gaming in my opinion. Alright, and that comes to $1,001, which is right above the budget. And as you've seen, it's a beast of a machine. You can handle every single thing you need. As you can see, it's very close to a top of the line machine. You don't need anything more than that. So moving on to the Intel build, shall we? Alright, in the Intel build we are going to go with the Intel Core i5-12400F, which performs more or less the same as the 5600X even. Not much of a difference there, but it's slightly more expensive, $170, not too much. And the motherboard for this one is going to be the MSI Pro B660M GDDR4, because we don't want DDR5 just yet. It's too expensive currently. At $90, it's more or less the same price of the AMD board. Actually, no, it's $10 cheaper, so it kind of evens out the price. Alright, and because everything else stays the same, the cost comes at a total of $1,016, which is $15 more than AMD build, which is not a lot. So yeah, this build will get you everything you need. You absolutely don't need anything more than that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Please like it.